So, you know, the guys obviously in the comment section agree with you 100%. You know, they feel as though you definitely got a good eye. You know, I just wanted to touch on some points, you know, touch on some points that they realize is not about a big farm or a lot of birds to pick from, because you can pick 100 birds that don't have good foot placement, but might look good, may have great movement, may sidestep, may fly high, may run on the ground, may do all of those things, but have bad foot placement.
You're gonna do very good.
Exactly. So, you know, those I think, and like I said in the comment section, everybody understands that makes a lot of sense. And that is something that maybe if people pay more attention to, their selection process will even change. Would you